So currently in my app, I'm able to, if we go to help, you can see all the commands. Of course we have add, and then the newly one we just put was scan. Here's the thing, I need a way to bulk scan, so I'm not just doing book scan and then going through this whole process each time. Which is good, but I want to be able to scan books in batches. Is that the right word? Batch or bulk? What would I call that? Bulk, batch scan? Let's go with batch. So I would like to do something like book scan and then do a flag that says like batch or bulk or something, or multi sounds good too. Multi scan, multiple scan. Let's go multi, batch. I like multi. But I don't know how to do that, so I have to go to the docs. I could probably guess, right? Is that what we do as developers? We just guess and spend 2 hours playing with it instead of just spending 5 minutes reading the docs. CLI, we'll go to book command lines. There's scan there. Just copy this. And I wonder, scan multi book. Is there something that says like flag that I can put there? Yeah, group description hidden. Nothing about flags. I do 2 commands. Anyway, it's faster just to read the docs, right? Browser, go over here. Shell flags. I'm calling options. That's it. What if I did this? That's that command. But what if I did option? What? What did we do? Let's see. Maybe option can go top. Maybe we can put it there. Add option. Maybe it doesn't go there. Typically don't go there. Option, names, multi values. Okay, that's enough. We got close. Let's just actually read the docs. Show option. Well, that's legacy. The general idea of how I don't want to do it programmatically. Do annotation. It seems like it's simple, right? Just throw it in there. Option. So it was right after the function name inside of it. So you do add option. Number of books T. I'm confused. Option annotation can be used to define an option name. Option annotation can be used to define an option name. Like having a target method with an argument automatically registered. Show option. Still work. Show option. Show option. And we do value. Does work like I think it works. So for some reason I don't think that works like I think it's gonna work. We'll see. Recognize book. Book scan. Option. Maybe that's it. At shell method. Get rid of this. Shell command must have a non-empty description. A non-empty description. Okay, that was it. Hey shit. What the heck? Book scan. Let's try book scan flag. I ignored it. Book scanning. Interesting. Why does it do like okay. Anyway, I see. So this just allows me to do book scanning and then put another one there, but without the flag. So I can literally just do multi here. Not there. Can I do the same thing with scan? Scan, book, scan, then put there. Yeah, I can. So I can just get rid of this and just use this one. And the value, it doesn't matter what you seem to put there, it don't matter. Put multi, which is interesting. So like let's do S out and then let's do user value. So that means, so it won't show in the help. So I can still do scan like normal, but I also can do book scan and then put a message here. Just put 10 rows. That didn't work. Multi. I can easily look this up using AI, but I kind of want to put my brain through the exercise. Recognize option. Show option. The value, it says it's unrecognized. I wonder why. But at the same time, let me just do this again. Just use test. Well, this technically was. I'm getting for string args one. So first, if I just do that, see, it ignores that. If I don't give it a command, what happens? It just shows book there. Book, 10 rows. There's a value there. Inventory option, book, target. Huh. Now I see what's going on. It'll do it, but the scan is a different one. It's doing it on book R1. I think this could be anything. XYZ. No, it needs to be R1. What the? Why does it need to be R1? Interesting. So maybe this is just the shape. I don't know. So it doesn't work. Mandatory option is multi. Book, multi. Book, multi. Book, multi. I want book scan multi though. And also, could I just do multi and not have any arguments at all? Like a default value? Argument, default value, so I want to do book scan and then multi. That's what I want. Maybe I can do this. So let's try scan book here, scan. Then we'll do a shell option and the default value, single value, type. Let's just do this out. Type. I think I got an idea. Okay, so first we can just do the regular way. Book scan. The mandatory option now. Book scan type. Hello. Interesting. I don't want to make it mandatory. Missing mandatory option. Why does it have to be mandatory? How is an option mandatory? It should be optional. Can I just remove this since it has a default type? It should be able to let me remove it. So I got it to where I want it, to where I can do multi or single. So I can say if multi, do this. I'll say if type that equals multi, do that. That's what I want. So scan, we'll do multi. Oh, scan type multi. Scanning multiple books. If it's single, anything else, I guess. Okay, I guess if you scan, you're gonna have to just tell it which type, multi or single. I like the option to just be optional. Default value seems to do nothing. Opt out, true? Is that a thing? That can't be a thing. I can't just be here making up things that actually work. Let's see, something, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, option. Here we go. Making options optional. That should be the default. Option required default. Optional option. What's this option? Okay. Why isn't the default false? Now I just scan. It's fine. So now it's false. Yeah, so type could be null. So if it's null, just do regular stuff. If type equals single or type is empty. If it's multi, we're gonna do multi. If it's single, we'll do single. Or if it's nothing there. Alright, so let's try it with nothing there. Help book scan. No. Okay, so we gotta handle that first. Move this over on the other side of the pipe. We'll refactor all this later. Just want to get something up and running. Is it not right? It's empty. Oh, I see. It's hitting this first. Alright. String that is empty because type is null. If type, the heck is empty before then? Type is, maybe it means blank string. It's optional. I feel like if it was empty, that means it would be null. Like, is empty on the string is what? Is empty Java string. Oh, the length is 0, I guess. It's an empty string, literally. Makes sense. Okay, finally. It's null there. And then you're scanning a single book. And we'll do book scan. We didn't put anything there. Cool. And then we also should be able to pick single. And it does the same thing. Type single. Yep. And then book scan type is multi. And now we're scanning multiple books. Perfect. How long did it take me to do that? 45 minutes because I was playing around and not reading the docs. I think that's it. That's all I wanted to do. And this will set me up for when I am able to, for when I build the feature to where I'm able to scan multiple times. So I think that's it. I think that's how I want it. Book scan type, do book scan, and then you can do type. Or I can do like book scan and then just do multi. And then scan will be the default. Well, scan is already default. And if I use a flag, I have to do something with it. I mean, let's see, book scan type. Yeah, I can do that. So instead of type, change this to multi. So default will be multi. If it's null, then we'll do multi. So the behavior, I'm trying to think of it in my head. So if you do book scan, just leave it like that. Type is still going to be, I can give type something. Let's say multi is equal to a single if you don't put anything there. So it won't be null. So I should be able to do something like set that. Alright, so I should be able to do book scan, and it's a single. Perfect. I don't know, reset the thing. Right, book scan does what it needs to do. Perfect. Then book scan multi with nothing. It's going to default to single. Get the behavior I want. I want book scan to be the default behavior for single. But if I put a flag, I don't want to have to put anything behind it. But both of these are null. If I just do book scan, it's null. And if I just do this, it's null. And they're making me put something there every time. Default value. Default value is single. So the default value is single. I shouldn't have to do that then. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Because if I don't do it, the default value is, I like that. It's working now. So if I just do scan, the default value is going to be single. Type single. Now, if I do scan and multi now, it's going to be null. And now I can do what I need to do. So if if multi is single, that's confusing right there. If multi equals single, I think multi is what I to put in. And I want to put in multi, like book scan, and then just use flag multi for multiple scan. So if multi single, let's see if this works. That's a single. Book scan multi. It's a null because multi is null. We'll just back up. Multi or multi equals null. Actually, I need to go first. If multi is equal to null. Here's the thing. If multi is equal to null, if multi is equal to null, then multi is multi. Do something fancy, right? Multi equal to, now we don't have to worry about this being null. Okay, I think we're good now. And now it should be perfect. So we want to do regular single scan, we'll just do book scan. Yep, single scan. And then if we want to do a multiple scan, we'll still do book scan, but add the multi flag on there. And now it's scanning multiple books. Perfect. Looks good to me. Scan, is this multi?